Hello my dear friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to draw a dancing kitty. This is ears like I have drawn. These are the cute eyes. This is the hand and the other hand. This is the dress of a Hello Kitty. And these are the legs. 1, 2. Now let's color this. Let's color it pink. This is pink color. The bow is looking cute now. We'll color the dress also pink, because the Hello Kitty is always pink and it looks good when it wears pink. Okay, so we will color the dress of Hello Kitty color red. Red color is looking good.